to one and all present out here in this beautiful evening. My name is Simlir Kropi and I belong to a place which culture and heritage where the largest and the oldest ethnic festival, the Kropi Youth Festival, is celebrated. And today I am representing my own Kropi traditional dress known as Pini, Pipa and Wangkok along with Lekpeng Herat, Chusek and Hag. I am 14 years young, studying in St. Mary's High School, Difu at a standard 9. That's all about me. Thank you and have